This is the Juliana model by San Rufo Homes, and this is where I would hide if I was playing hide and seek and owned this home. Follow me. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Bet you can't find me. Am I hiding in the fridge? I'm sure you think I'm behind this fake plant. Nope, I'm here in the living room next to this beautiful fireplace. Look at this beautiful primary bedroom. Am I hiding behind the mirror? Am I under the bed? Huh, I'm doing laundry. There's no place to hide in this beautiful primary ensuite, but I had to show it to you anyway. Look at this beautiful wallpaper in this bedroom. Am I hiding behind the throw pillows? Nope, I'm in here in this bedroom with even prettier wallpaper. Look at this beautiful bonus room, vaulted ceilings and big windows.
Lisa, I see you.
Ha, you found me, and you found your dream home.